Whoa, 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 whoa. Like a crawl space, it's a dark place I roam. Ain't no right way, just the wrong way, I know. I problem solve with styrofoam. Whoa, 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 whoa. Like a crawl space, it's a dark place I roam. Ain't no right way, just the wrong way, I know. I problem solve with styrofoam. My worry. Whoa, 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 whoa. Like a crawl space, it's a dark place I roam. Ain't no right way, just the wrong way, I know. I problem solve with styrofoam.
So first of all, in this vocal chain, we got an auto tune, and we're just gonna put it to about 10 and set the key to the right one. And we're gonna do a basic EQ sweep just to remove some of the harsh frequencies. DSR next, just to remove some of the sibilants. And we have some compression going on. You can just copy these settings. Now, the most important plugin on this vocal chain is gonna be the C6 multiband compressor by Waves. And basically, it just removes the muddiness and boominess in the vocal.
Crawl space, it's a dark place I roam. Ain't no right way, just the wrong I roam. Ain't no right way.
Next, we have the Avox, which just brings the vocal to the front.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Like a crawl space, it's a dark place I roam. Ain't no right way, just the.
And lastly, we got the Mag EQ4 just to boost some of the airiness in the vocal.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Like a crawl space, it's a dark place.
The last thing we have on this vocal chain is the blast out to the reverb to make the vocal sound not so dry. And here's the finished product.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Like a crawl space, it's a dark place I roam. Ain't no right way, just the wrong way, I know. I problem solve with styrofoam. My world revolves around a black hole. The same black hole that's in place of my soul. Empty, I feel so goddamn empty. I may go rogue. Don't tempt me, big bullet hole. So send me auto. Yeah, I'm keeping it real, real. I'm keeping it real. Yeah, life gets tough, shit is getting